this session I'm going to show you how to do a pistol squat. So you need quite a bit of strength in your legs. There's quite a killer on your quads. So you need good balance and coordination. And I'll show you how to start off with a light kettlebell, and then you can progress through to heavier ones. A lighter kettlebell, say an 8 kilo. Down we go. So remember, it's weight onto one foot, other one ready to lift up. Okay, so that's with an 8. Then we can progress to a 12. To a 16. So I know these don't sound very heavy, but obviously if you work with kettlebells you know full well what sort of weight we're looking at. So the 16. So remember, all the weight on one foot, other one raises, and down we go, back up. Okay, so just quickly go through the others. Here we go now. These are 20 kilo. Leg, this leg is going to be ready to go out full stretch, like so. Okay, so obviously the heavier the kettlebell gets, the harder the squat gets. Here we are with 24. So it's really taking it out of your leg here in the quad. So you've got a good balance on whichever leg you're going to go down on. That's got to be planted really firmly, because the leg that actually goes out in front of you is the leg that you're really going to feel the pain in. Once you do a few of these pistol squats, you're really going to know it.